Dear aspirant, welcome to Current Affairs for UPSC by Zaki. Today, we are going to discuss about a huge underground freshwater discovered in Hawaii. So, why this discovery is very significant for the point of view in ecology and environment, and it is very significant for the sustainable development, or basically on the small island situated in the remote areas. So let's start with huge underground water, fresh water discovered in Hawaii coast. So for a long time, as you know, Hawaii Island has been home to a mystery. Somehow the amount of fresh water in underground aquifer has seems much smaller than it should be, given amount of the right. Basically, these islands are volcanic in nature or volcanic island. Basically, it is hot spot, as I told you in various geography class. Or basically, it is made by basalt volcanic rock, and so if precipitation happen, so rain is through go to the sea. And if we see the small aquifer, as we see in the conventional model of the hydrologic model, so we see that it is simply the underground water, and finally the underground water reach to the sea level. So this is our conventional model. But new discovery is different. So what are new discoveries and all these? Further, scientists have just found deep underground running below the island coast. So vast aquifers, uh, vast quantity of the fresh water are transported from the flank of volcano. Which volcano? It is this volcano is called Hualalai. Hualalai. Hualalai is a volcano in Hawaiian island. So down into newly discovered reservoir that run deep below the ocean floor. So it is not only on the sea floor, but it is the deep below under the ocean. It means it is submarine aquifer. So before forward, it's a discovery that implication for both the volcanic as island around the globe, around the world. So and tapped potential of renewable source of the water, basically fresh water, and it is also hoped to play a vital role in the sustainable development of these islands. So it could be paved the invaluable as global climate rapidly change. As you know, how fast climate are changed at various factors like that. So a paradigm shift from the conventional hydrologic. So it is different from the conventional hydrologic model, basically situated in. So the finding provide, what are the finding? Finding provide a paradigm shift from the conventional hydrologic conceptual model, have been vastly used by multiple studies. So multiple studies there are used conventional model, as you see in the NCRT, and I also uh, talk to you in various geography class and see the hydrologic, what is hydrologic cycle. So here also we can show you the conventional hydrologic cycle and the what in percent. So study a water organization in the Hawaii Island. It is model have vastly used in the Hawaii Island, other volcanic island to calculate the sustainable yield and aquifer storage of the past 30 years. So, conventional model use past 30-year model. As we earlier discussed in the climatology and geography, and I also told you about the what is climate and what is weather. So climate is approximately 30-year average of the weather of this any places. So and it is calculated by the WMO, World Meteorological Organization. So let us move forward. The discovery will enhance the future of hydrologic model and consequently the availability of the clean fresh water in volcanic island like Hawaii Island, like Reunion Island, like Maldives and other small volcanic. So what are the findings? So now we discuss on the finding of the study. So the team found that there are underground freshwater river layer between the saltwater saturated volcanic basalt. As you know, volcanic rock basically made from basalt. So volcanic basalt. These rivers are around 35 kilometers long to extend at least 4 kilometers west of the coastline, means Hawaiian coastline. So if we see here, it is seafloor, it is Hawaiian coast, and it is 4 kilometers, but it is deep below. It is aquifer is deep below in the subsurface water around 35 kilometers. So it is very new discovery. It is mineral and salt water, and it is basalt, and this is fresh water. So we also see the picture about the new model, and also we discuss on the conventional model. So the reservoir, what researcher found, the reservoir, freshwater reservoir, estimate to contain around 3.5 kilometer cubic of fresh water, and it is around 1.4 million Olympic swimming pools. So, and twice much as previously estimated. So, if we see the previous estimate of the Hawaiian island, it is the 2 times greater than the previous estimate. So, this would be change the community of the volcanic island. So, like Hawaii deal with the changing climate. So, it is very significant discovery. So, the increasing frequency of drought and likely decrease in the amount of rainfall and replenishing the underground aquifer all are related to each other. So, this discovery and this aquifer can solve the this. So, this is new discovery. So, see that conventional hydrological conceptual model, as we earlier discussed with you. What is conventional hydrologic conceptual model? So, see in this picture. This is conventional hydrologic model. It is evaporation, then condensation, then precipitation, and then it is precipitation means it is snowfall, it is rain, it is hailstone, it is diamond dust, and all things. All about this term you see my geography video, or also you can join my class. So you can also subscribe for these for this video, for my channel. After this 45 video, as we prepared for the UPSC, we also provide you the some lecture on geography, basically these what is diamond dust, what is hailstone, what is sleet, what is snowfall. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So it is conventional model, and if we see the groundwater here and here, and it is go to the directly sea level surface, not beyond or the seabed or the subsurface of the sea or submarine. So it is conventional model. And now we see the new study discovered a new model. So what are new model and what is this model? So see this new model. It is conceptual model of freshwater path from rainfall to the offshore. It is a new. It is discovered model. So uh, model. So see what is new model. In new model, the fresh water is not directly reach here, but it has a freshwater river below the sea. It is sea and it is sea. It is freshwater. So it is a great discovery. So it is so this type of aquifer discovered in the western coast of the Hawaii, and this volcano is called Hualalai volcano. See, Hualalai volcano. So remember this new hydrologic model of the volcanic ice. So this discovery of the aquifer is called submarine aquifer. So it is called submarine aquifer. So the submarine aquifer are more resilient and could, with a careful management, if we carefully management, not like we destroyed our environment in the past century. So we first manage it carefully. So avoid harming locally. So uh, if we careful manage, then it does not harm the natural ecosystem. Provide a resource to the community living on the volcanic island region, such as Galapagos Island, Comoros, Cape Verde, Reunion. You see? So it is very significant for the community of this island. So all these regions have hydrological layer formation similar to the Attai team. Attai, basically this discovery was this discovery was done by Attais and his team near Hawaii. So team discovered in Hawaii, it is possible that they may also have similar freshwater transportation mechanism in Galapagos, Comoros, Cape Verde, and Reunion Island. So the research has been published. So as we earlier told you, we provide you the authentic source and resource information from the authentic resources such as Nature, Science Advances, Science Daily, Science Alert, etc. So This research has been published in Science Advances. So that is the whole about the new discovery, new freshwater discovery in the volcanic island of Hawaii. So let's move question for the UPSC. Our section question for the scientists have found deep underground running water in which of the place of Hawaiian coast? Which of the place? A. Konomu. B. Konau Ula. C. Hualalai. D. Pakau Hanalai. So please write your answer in the comment box and subscribe my channel for this kind of video. So if we further move our next section is answer of the previous question. So consider the following statement regarding Ingenuity. The flight of Ingenuity was reached in real time. The flight of Ingenuity was recorded in the real time. Choice A. Choice 1. Choice 2. The data between the control station in the Earth and the Perseverance rover was sent and received through the Deep Space Network. Which of the above statements is correct? A. Only one. B. Only two. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither one. No 2. So the flight of Ingenuity was not recorded in real time because the distance between the Mars and Earth, it is taken some time, about 5 to 6 minutes. So not recorded in real time. The data between the control station in the Earth and the Perseverance rover was sent and received through the Deep Space Network, or it is called Deep Space DSN. So we discussed earlier on the DSN. So what is DSN and what are the where are the antenna of DSN situated? So statement 2 is correct. So 2 is correct. 1 is wrong. This is also wrong. This is also wrong. So answer is B. Answer is so. Please comment and share this video and also subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon and tell your friend about our initiative because this initiative is very significant for the UPSC student. If you are preparing for the SSC and other, that is no matter, but it is basically prepared for UPSC student, especially in the 2021 examination, PT examination. So the perspective of the PT examination. So thanks for watching this video. Thanks a lot.